subscribers, they will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you see on your iPhone Wi-Fi, no internet access, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just try to turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on again. If it doesn't help you, you can also try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. Also, you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router. So mostly it happened because you have problems with your router, so you just need to check your router, or you can also just turn it off and turn on again. So after, you can try to go to the general, just open here software update and just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So this is a way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.